Some days it feels like Christmas when I get my Jafra box, and today is one of those days. There's some new product that I cannot wait to try, and I have an event tonight, so I can't even finish getting dressed until I open this box. But I can't wait to show you some of the newbies that we have. So let's see, let me pull these out for you to see it, because I hope you're going to love it as much as I know I will. It's not even available until May, but I have early access. So first of all, this is our newest Navigo fragrance. It's actually for men, but I think I'll be using this, not tonight, because I already know what fragrance I'm going to use tonight. I'm going to a special event tonight, special gala. But so I'm going to wear a feminine fragrance. But this one, I tried the sample. I love it. And it is, the fragrance notes are pepper, lavender, and shipwood. So I know, of course my husband will use it, but I know I will also use this as a room spray. Yeah, I use our Jafra room sprays. And yes, I use our it smells great. I use our Jafra room sprays, and I use my diffusers with doTERRA, but oh my gosh, that smells so good. This is going to be perfect for any man that you have that you want to gift for Father's Day, graduations. This is wonderful. I love this scent. Okay, so there's that. I'm going to use that scent in my room tonight. Okay, so I'm so excited about these new powder eyeshadows, and they're in quads, and this color is aquamarine, so it's going to be the blues. Packaging, color passion, that means the colors are really bold and bright. Okay, oh, beautiful colors. So you can see the quads. So no, it does not have the applicators, because you really don't want to use those applicators that come in with the eyeshadows. They're just, to me, like disposable ones. I always use our professional eyeshadow makeup brushes. Eyeshadow brushes. Okay, so this one is Onyx. This is the color I'm going to wear tonight, because I'm going to be wearing a charcoal dress. And oh my gosh, beautiful. Now those colors match the dress perfectly that I'm going to wear. Look at that shimmer. I cannot wait to wear this. This reminds me of a color that we used to have in our Royal Jelly makeup colors some years ago. Oh my goodness. This one here looks like diamonds. Oh, I love this. I cannot wait. I'll put this separately because I'm wearing that, putting that on in just a few minutes so I can finish getting dressed for my event tonight. Okay, this one's called Amethyst, so you know I'm going to wear this color a lot because it's going to be in the purples. So they're a little hard to open when you first get them because they haven't been open yet. So just give a nice push. Oh, look at the purples, kind of like a little bit of a pinkish color there too, like a mauve color. Really beautiful. I love those shimmers. Let me take this off so you can see a little bit better. Oh my gosh, so fun colors. So as you know, I love using the liquid eyeshadows for like a quick makeup application on the go. But if I want to be, up it a little bit, or for something special, or going to church, or an event, or just because I just want a little bit more color, I'm going to go with the powders. I always do. So this one is, I'm not sure if it's Tapacio, or I'm not sure how to pronounce that one. So anyway, there it is. But this one's going to be the browns. So let's see this one. So if you want more of your natural colors, that's gorgeous. That's gorgeous, like everyday palette. I love that. So you can see some are matted, some are shimmery. So much fun. I can't wait to share more about these with you. And let me show this one again, because I didn't really pick up on the shimmery colors from the aquamarine. But yeah, there we go. We got that. Oh, that's beautiful. And just look how it just sparkles. So I love that. So those are so cool. I can't wait to share more with you later. And I'm just going to pull out the onyx again because this is the one I'm going to be wearing tonight. There's that diamond color in there. I love it. I love those. And yeah, I will be wearing all 4 of those colors. So easy to do. I'll be sharing more with you later. I just wanted to let you see what is here. So we got the new Navago for men with that pepper, lavender, shipwood fragrance notes, and then the eyeshadow palettes. There's also another palette that I didn't get. It's more of the pinkish colors. I don't wear pink, so but it's like a brown and pink mix. So look for that also next month. Doesn't come out until May, but I have early access, so I just can't wait to get it, and I can't wait to share it with you. All right, have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye for now.